Hey everyone! If we're using Mozilla Firefox and want to customize our browsing experience, adjust privacy options, or manage things like passwords and downloads, the first thing we need to do is access the Settings menu. Many important features are found there. If we're new to Firefox, we might not know where to find it. Today, we'll show how to open Mozilla Firefox settings quickly and easily. Opening the settings gives us control over how our browser works. Inside, we can manage privacy and security, change our homepage, adjust search engine options, manage saved passwords, turn features on or off, and improve performance. Knowing how to find these settings helps us personalize Firefox, solve common issues, and create a safer, more efficient browsing experience. Let's go through the process together so everyone can follow along. First, open the browser. Once we're in Firefox, we click the three lines in the upper right corner. This is where we find the settings. Before clicking Settings, we also see options for New Tab, New Window, Private Window, Bookmarks, History, Downloads, Passwords, and Extensions. We can print, save pages, hide the page, or zoom in and out. Here, we see Settings, Add-ons, Help, and Exit. Now, we'll show how to open the settings. Click Settings. This opens the Settings menu. Under Settings, we find General, Home, Search, Privacy and Security, Firefox Labs, and more from Mozilla. In the lower part, we see Extensions. These are available for Teams and Firefox. In the General section, we find options for startup, managing profiles, tabs, and layout. We can adjust the browser's look, language, and choose dark, light, or automatic mode. There are controls for downloads, file locations, and managing add-ons. We can save profiles, manage versions, performance, and browsing settings. Network settings are here too. On the home page, we see Firefox home content. This includes our activity list and Firefox shortcuts. In the search section, we can search for any topic. For privacy and security, we can turn on tracking protection, adjust privacy preferences, and manage passwords. We can also set up automatic passwords, payment methods, and manage browsing history. It's possible to clear data and manage site permissions for the camera, microphone, or speaker. Notification settings are here as well. We can manage data collection, security, and enable DNS protection. There are options for maximum protection or turning it off. All our settings can be synced between devices or accounts in Firefox. These can be managed here. We can also see routes and roles, and this is how we open Mozilla Firefox settings. Once inside the settings, we can explore different options and customize Firefox. To suit our preferences, it's a simple step that makes a big difference in how we use our browser and everything.